Do you believe in unicorns?
Yeah. James, you're so fucking retarded, dude.
Dude, this is the best idea ever.
You don't know how retarded that sounds.
Was that my dream?
And then you just kind of play it in, you know, like kind of figure out, you know.
My ice cream cone?
Oh shit! Here it goes! Here it goes! Here it goes!
Yeah, make sure you
Here, am I filming it? I think I'm filming it right.
You're all obvious now? Shit.
That looks good. That looks good.
Don't have your drink bucket either.
I get money. I get money. I own you.
Austin, do you believe in unicorns?
Huh?
You believe in unicorns?